Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fit Audi Q7 side steps. First, gather all your tools, including a wrench set, a drill, and any specific hardware provided with your side steps. Safety is paramount, so ensure your Audi Q7 is securely lifted and supported on sturdy jack stands before you begin. Take a moment to unpack your new side steps and confirm that all components, brackets, and fasteners are accounted for. This preparation ensures a smooth installation process. Now, let's focus on attaching the mounting brackets. Carefully locate the designated mounting points along your Audi Q7's chassis, typically found beneath the rocker panels. Position the front and rear brackets, aligning them with these points, and then securely attach them using the hardware supplied with your side steps. It's crucial to tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque settings to ensure a safe and stable installation. Double-check each connection for firmness. With the brackets firmly in place, it's time to install the side steps themselves. Carefully lift each side step and position it onto the corresponding mounting brackets. Take your time to align the pre-drilled holes on the side steps with the holes on the brackets. Once aligned, use the remaining hardware to securely fasten the side steps to the brackets. Ensure all connections are snug, providing a robust and reliable fit for your Audi Q7. Before you hit the road, perform a thorough final inspection. Double-check that all bolts are securely tightened and that the side steps are stable with no wobbling. Carefully lower your Audi Q7 from the jack stands and then test the side steps by applying some weight to ensure they are firmly in place and safe for use. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your new, stylish, and functional side steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.